NovaSTEAM Club is going to make, and is already making, an impact in the lives of the individual children. It's giving them the practical aspects which they lack, because the theory is normally what they are served in school, but now they get to understand how, for instance, robots are built and how they can use that to solve their everyday life or challenges that hitherto they will have run to.
So we are Teen Lead Foundation, and we are a non-profit foundation that seeks to provide leadership and coaching for mentorship programs for the young adults like you are.
The future of the club, NovaSTEAM, is really bright because they are nurturing these young ones from the scratch.
We are fortunate as a school to be the first to host this program. Let's clap for ourselves. I believe this coaching is going to be very interesting and very good for students of JHS, particularly concerning the STEAM we've just mentioned. I would like to extend my gratitude to our teachers, our guests here and partners who have supported this initiative. Your contribution have been invaluable, and we look forward to continuing our collaboration. To our students, to say this is your club, and we encourage you to take ownership of it. Share your ideas, participate in activities, and make the most of this opportunity to learn, grow, and have fun. Let us work together to make our STEAM Club a hub of innovation, creativity, and excellence. Thank you very much, and once again for coming, and let the lunch begin. First of all, I think it's an honor to be the first school in the district to have this program. Yeah, so I must say it's a great honor to me as a headmaster and to the school. The importance of science, technology, as well as the IT and mathematics in the world now. So I believe it's going to boost the interest of the children in the mathematics studies and that of the engineering, both for the boys and girls. We used to have mathematics as a subject which is meant for boys only, or the meat around mathematics. I think with the introduction of Teen Lead and NovaSTEAM, I think this, we believe, is going to help take away this myth.
They are going to really become great. So NASA and these powerful international bodies, they should watch us. And I believe they are going to have, those who are going to invent things. I mean, the world is growing, there's AI, and these children, at least, will have some of them join in such campaign.
So we would invite Sir Jackson as he takes us through the introduction.
Hello? Are you here? Are you here? Team, let's get it first. You see after me. STEAM, all of you. STEAM. Clap yourselves. This is the introduction. You can only focus for me. When we are done, I'll ask questions. Introduction to the STEAM Club Toolkit. Designed to establish and sustain an engaging STEAM club. So follow me. Provides detailed guidance, resources, and activity plans. Empowers students with hands-on learning experiences. Fosters critical thinking and innovative problem solving. Promotes leadership, teamwork, and creativity. Prepares students for future STEAM-related careers. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Jackson. So we've been introduced to the STEAM Club. So as members of the club, you are supposed to find a problem in the community, you brainstorm to get solutions to it, and you make sure you implement it to solve that particular problem. Okay, so STEAM: science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. So let's go together. STEAM: science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. So those who joined us for the last 2 years, I think we only did STEM. So this time we are doing STEAM. Clear? So we've introduced art to it. So today marks a significant milestone in the history of the Teen Lead Foundation, and I am thrilled to introduce to you the logo for the STEAM Club. I thought you would clap to that. Okay, so, and I'm very happy to present to you the logo that we'll be using as the club. That's the STEAM Club. So the logo, please. Can you see? Okay, so the logo, we can see that it takes the brain-like form. It looks like a brain. Can you see that? Yes. So we want to give you the explanations to what we've done here. So the logo symbolizes the mind and how different parts of the minds of different unique people, such as artists, scientists, engineers, and all types of minds come together to innovate or create something. It's so unfortunate you can't see clearly, but we also good. It's the same thing here. So we can see pink here, blue here, and the green here. So these ones are different parts of the minds of different unique individuals. That is you and I. Do you get it? How we come together to create or innovate something in our society. Am I clear? Yes. And the yellow dot here, back to the board. The yellow part represents the minute gifted minds that also can contribute in the special way to innovate. So you might think that you don't know anything, but I'm telling you that you know something. We can all come together and contribute to the success of our society. I hope I'm clear. All right, so we'll listen to an address from our founder, who is Dr. Augustina Osabutey.
I'm Dr. Augustina Osabutey, founder of Teen Lead Foundation, and it's such a joy to welcome you all to the official launch of our NovaSTEAM Club right here at St. Augustina's Preparatory School in Axim, Ghana. At Teen Lead Foundation, we believe every child has the power to lead, innovate, and transform their world. That is why we created the NovaSTEAM Club to inspire young minds to explore science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics in fun, engaging, and practical ways. This club is more than a program. It's a movement that will expose our students to real-world skills, career mentorship, and the confidence to dream beyond the classroom. Today marks the beginning of something powerful, not just for the students at St. Augustina's Preparatory School, but for the future leaders of Ghana and the world. Through NovaSTEAM, we are planting seeds of innovation, environmental responsibility, and leadership. I want to thank the school leadership, our dedicated team, community partners, and of course, our amazing students. You are the reason we do what we do. Your curiosity, creativity, and courage are what will drive change. And to our supporters around the world, this is what your donations, your mentorship, and your belief in young people make possible. Thank you for working with us. Together, we will inspire, empower, and impact lives. One student, one project, one community at a time. Let us make history together. Welcome to NovaSTEAM, where we innovate, lead, and transform. Thank you, and let the journey begin with Teen Leads Foundation NovaSTEAM Club.
I heard that our courage is what will drive change.
It's like we are the reason why you are doing all this.
would want to inform you of the next activity. So we'll be having a tech display. So we have 4 activities actually. We have the robotic arm demonstration, the line follower robot demonstration, and then we have a balloon car demonstration. The last one is the art section, where we would design the water cycle and the seed germination. So let's keep it in mind.
It goes through all those things. So that's the assembling of the robot before it can work perfectly. You understand? Yes. Yeah. I'm listening.
How many
You all require our house and water side.
You feel like this one. So this one, when you sketch, there's a lot of space you can paint the inside, the color. I get it. So the same way, when you are doing the water cycle, open it up and then paint. Don't worry, if you are drawing this, don't say this is not nice. It doesn't matter, we are learning, okay?
Well, science and technology is not something we just read about, but it's something that helps change the world. So I believe that these children, having that exposure or giving that opportunity, will be able to do a lot rather than limiting themselves to only what they've read. They have the experience of learning at first hand from great trainers, teachers, and great people in the industry.
Okay, so let's move here.
I'm Benjamin Aliko, and I'm very passionate with working with children, especially to watch them grow to reach their full potential. So I believe that's the more reason why I joined the NovaSTEAM team as a media personnel.
My name is Nicole. I am 13 years of age. I attend St. Augustina Osabutey School. I want to thank NovaSTEAM Thinkers and Team Lead Foundation for the opportunity to showcase my talents.
My name is Betty Ajarep. I am 13 years old. I thank NovaSTEAM for helping me to bring my talents out.
My name is Franklin Amensa and I am 14 years. I thank NovaSTEAM for helping me showcase my talent during the water cycle and knowing how it is.
I see NovaSTEAM as an opportunity for me to explore
science and technology in a more practical way. That's why I joined the NovaSTEAM Club.
Thank you all for coming. First of all, we have to thank the Almighty God for making this event a successful one. Secondly, I have to thank the NovaSTEAM for coming to our school compound and making this event a successful one. And thirdly, I have to thank my colleagues and all those are here and the teachers for making this event a successful one. Thank you.